Much longer. If you're watching the rerun of this was live right now, we got who we got in there. We got Hazard in there, we got Daniel in there, we got Blow, Spinner's music, we got who else? We got a lot of people in here, man. So I appreciate you. Next time trying to catch the live. We got Marcus in here, you know what I'm saying? So next time try and catch live and come vibe with us. You know? Go enjoy the energy and some fun, but we're gonna jump right in right now. This is Bad Juvie mixtape by Pablo YG. And you don't know Pablo, we like Pablo over here, so Pablo been doing his thing. But yeah, man, this is Pablo YG, Bad Juvie mixtape. We're gonna kick it off. Let's get it. You know what I'm saying? First song we had to start off with a Fada Fada. You see me? Let's get it. And these people are on the manners with them blow commercial. Go on. But yeah, man, this is our first reaction we're about to do.
Yo, Pooh. Dog, I feel like my father. Dinero in my ripped jeans. Me can't believe me now my teens. When been a rocky like me in my 50s. Me know in the system, me clean. In my 3Ps. Me loafers white like cocaine. What that in my suitcase.
Well on the more I make sure say this I give you everything in the order, you know. You see me? Okay. Cause I go by track, you know, and give you in a random order, but yeah man.
Yes, it drove it full up a blue face. Probably die young, but who cares? Every move I move it, so I can't grab myself for that jewelry. Every record me set like you see. I feel like my father. In a Gucci and Prada. Dolce Gabbana, I'm rocking a yard. I wanna watch man pocket like my giant on no partner and lift my one.
Yeah, see me, you feel like my father. No watch man pocket like my giant on no partner.
See if I'm yard in a bad pan, no don't mind me. Me and my money with salsa, no can't find me. Me no rock, no riff-raff, me no go no Chinese. China, me no want that, no can't style me. Me feel like my father. Swing pan the bang on a Tarzan. Cause me want Japa Lexus, the fast one. Fly out to that I go Ghana. Rich like Obama, do anything me wanna. That a father. Up a day in the car like me non-stop. Convex cars, a caption and me non-stop. Boy, fuck.
Yeah man, me like the sound of this dog on the video. You see me? Me like how this, you know, it have a production quality to it, you know what I mean?
Pussy every night, I'm not fuck or feel like my father. Take it to a different page. But mine is space and I forgot up my name. Me not do it for the fame, me not do it for the name. Me rather call Miss G today. Chop a clientele when I the vehicle left fit take a refund in a
chop a clientele when I vehicle left it take. You know what I'm saying? I take everything from you, man. The skull enough left with nothing.
3 minutes good. Yo biggie than a who them. Yo big me feel like my father. In a Gucci and Prada. Dolce Gabbana, me rocking a yard.
I have blow 90s dancer.
No watch man pocket like my giant on no partner. Lift my.
You see me dog na mesh marry na mesh pants and them clogs. Easy though. Them blow a kanga lad. You see me catch it at a lot.
Want save me hard in a bad pan, no don't mind me. Me and my money with salsa, no can't find me. Me no rock, no riff-raff, me no go no Chinese. China, me no want that, no can't style me. Me feel like my father. Can't believe me now.
China, me no want that, no can't style me.
My teens when been a rocky like me in my 50s. Me no in the system, me clean in my 3Ps. Me loafers white like cocaine. What that in my suitcase? It drove me full up a blue face.
First track doing so good so far. You see me? First track doing good so far.
Yeah, probably die young, but who cares? Every move I move it, so I can't grab myself for that jewelry. Every record me set like you see. I feel like my father. In a Gucci and Prada. Dolce Gabbana, me rocking a yard. I don't know what.
Dolce and Gabbana, me rocking a yard. I want to
man pocket like my giant on no partner. And lift me one save me yard in a bad pan. No don't mind me.
You know. Yeah,
if I'm a King Cam shoot this, it's not shoot good, brother.
King Cam,
you see it free.
Yeah, man. First track so
Simply
far.
Spiked.
Yeah, man. First track so far doing this thing, man. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. So far, I got 1 out of 1. You know what I'm saying? He 1 for 1 right now. You see me? Yeah, man. The Bad Juvie mixtape guys reacting to it live. You know what I'm saying? And Pablo YG doing good so far. You see me? So far, he 1 for 1. So I check out the rest of it. We got what, 12 more songs to go, or 13 more songs to go.
Tastes like your favorite juice. Now spiked. It's getting juicy.
So for the first track, that going good. You see me? Yes, me. Well, it's going to be the Fada clean version, but we're going to jump to the next one. Is King of the Coast.